The United States give out reparation every day in America to those who have been treated with inhumane. The Native Americans were given reparation because of their land that was taken from them. The Japanese descendants were given reparation because of them being thrust and forced into internment camps. Also, the Jews have been given reparation because of Holocaust, when Hitler killed 6 million Jews. Now, what is reparation in its most purest form? First of all, reparation is to apologize. Apologize to the people you have wronged, in hope that it will make a better relationship between the two. Also, in hope that these things won't happen again. So, apologize, make an amends, better the relationship, and make sure this never happens again. Also, reparation is so closely tied to the American dream. We have the right to pursue happiness. The Declaration of Independence says, we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they have been endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these rights are life, liberty, and a pursuit of happiness. To achieve this American dream, we must all start on a playing field of leverness with the same rules. As we know, whites have benefited $42 trillion because of the slave episode. Now, because of that, that has given them white privilege, the best of universities that everything is structured from, that has given them land, that has given them wealth, that has given them the control of the cannabis market. When Abraham Lincoln freed the slaves in 1865, when he signed the Emancipation Proclamation, he promised them 6 acres and a mule, which is the equivalent of $640 billion today. Now, if each African American would receive, each descendant of African Americans would receive this money right now, that would be the equivalent of $350,000 each to each African American that can prove that he's a descendant of those Africans. The Native Americans received $1.3 billion for reparation. The descendants of the Japanese people received $38 million, plus another $20,000, to each one of them. The Jews received $100 million. Everybody has been given reparation for inhumane treatment, except the African Americans. Now, what do we feel that is a fair reparation for African Americans? First of all, a sincere apology. A sincere apology. And then, after that apology, we need to get some stuff together and try to make amends. After that, we want direct connection to the cannabis market without racism and prejudice. That's what we want. We want access to the cannabis market. All of the big businesses. We want land. We want monetary gain. We want all of these things that is due to us. We want our colleges, a certain amount set aside for our universities to further our causes. And we want land that will be for African Americans so that we can use this land for investments. Even if we build music or whatever, the money will be sent back and given back to the descendants of African Americans. These are the things we want. Now, I realize that there is an opposition to this. A lot of people think that what we're asking for is too much. But as always, a compromise in everything. But to just do nothing at all is not fair. And this is not nothing new. Reparations has been given to many races. So let's do it right now. Yeah, I would like to thank all of y'all for watching this video. If anybody want to say anything concerning reparation, please leave a comment. And make sure y'all follow us, Strive Hip Hop and Social Magazine on YouTube, Strive Hip Hop and Social Magazine on Instagram, Strive Hip Hop and Social on TikTok. Yeah, so y'all make sure y'all go out there and follow Strive Hip Hop and Social Magazine.